In a bid to address currency volatility and exchange rate-driven inflation badly battering the economy amid arbitrage, the Zimbabwean government will next week launch a structured currency, which the market has been waiting for to pick the new macroeconomic trajectory. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Zimbabwe, buffeted by economic turmoil for over 2 decades now, has the highest inflation and one of the lowest valued currency units in the world. Well-informed sources said that outgoing Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) Governor John Mnangagwa, officially replaced by his successor John Mushayavanu yesterday, will launch the new currency after Easter holidays at the end of the week, almost certainly on Friday. This is today's news about the structured currency set to be launched this week. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.